This just in, there is a new home insurance program available to Massachusetts residents that was just approved by the Massachusetts Commissioner of Insurance. This is an A-rated company by AM Best and specializing in-home insurance near the ocean. They have chosen the Arthur D. Calfee Insurance Agency with their corporate office located in Falmouth on Cape Cod in Massachusetts to be their home insurance representative agent. Find out if you qualify for this new home insurance program by calling 508-444-0509 or get a quick online home insurance quote at www.calfeeinsurance.com.